VW Direct again. Customer vehicle recovered into us with a starter issue. Previously been to Looker's Teesside. Diagnosed starting issue. Replaced alarm siren. Okay. 500 quid. Customer's still got the same issue. Quickly on VCDS, if I can get that to focus. We have short to ground, don't we? You can say that. Short to ground, and another short open circuit or short to ground on the ignition switch. So we have problems with it starting or causing issues with the starter relay. Right, let's strip it down. Quick and easy fix involves this part from VW. Up a trim. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Up trim, T25. Remove the 3 screws. Remove the trim. And here we have the problem. 2 screw tabs, one here, one here. It's a thin blade. Well, first off, you've got the wire in. Take the connector out. Put the wire in. That should just ease out. There's the old one. There's the new one. Straight in the slot. Locked into place. Put the wire back in. With ignition. You see that? You see that? Ignition lights. Yep. Pause it. Refit the trims. Top one clips in the back, and down it goes. Hold on. Back in the VCDS and clear the codes. Yes. No fault codes found. We also had one on the ECU for the starter relay, which was caused by the ignition switch. Mobilisers, just because I've had the thing for start. We also had a 1044.8 for starter relay, again caused by the ignition switch. Clear the codes. No fault codes. All done. Job done.